Elon Musk, the CEO and founder of many organizations like Tesla, SpaceX, etc., has brought huge evolution to society and technology. Considering that, he's now bringing up another change by introducing the tiny house for sustainable living. This is the recent project Musk aimed at sustainable living, which he has undertaken and completed. Musk has his fingers in all pies, and you have to wonder if there is anything else that Musk hasn't already done. He's involved in things on Earth, but it's also a major player in the space race. Musk recently unveiled the tiny house, which would be packed with all the cutting-edge technology you'd expect to find in a sustainable environment. And the surprising thing is that he owns one of these tiny houses, which costs less than half as much as a Model 3 worth $15,000. Today's video will share some inspiring Elon Musk knowledge, especially since Elon Musk has officially announced Tesla's insane new tiny house for sustainable living. Make sure to watch the video all the way through to learn everything there's to know about Tesla's tiny house. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and now we begin. Elon Musk is the CEO and founder of many companies including Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Company, Neuralink, and others. Of course, everyone has heard about Tesla transforming the transportation industry, but you've probably not heard about Elon Musk and Tesla's efforts to change every aspect of our lives. Although this may appear excessive, he plans to unveil a house that's significantly less expensive than one of his Tesla vehicles. This appears to be the next big thing Elon Musk wants to show us. Because the house is manufactured in a factory, it can be carefully folded into a shipping container and transported to a new location. On arrival, it could be installed in the new location. Surprisingly, the tiny structure includes everything needed for normal housing, including electricity, plumbing, and air conditioning. It's an exciting project that'll forever alter the real estate industry. Elon Musk has a reputation for producing high-quality, appropriate products. He has frequently stated that his goal is to change the world by proposing solutions to some problems. Elon Musk is currently doing this. One of the challenges in the real estate and housing sectors is that building materials easily degrade. For this house system, we can rely on Elon Musk completely. With that, let's know what the house offers. The Tesla tiny house is stunning. Clad in sustainable, locally sourced, chemical-free timber, the rolling design studio provides residents with an up-close look at Tesla's renewable wares. A 2-kilowatt photovoltaic system with 6 panels is installed in the tiny house. On the home's exterior, there's also a Tesla Powerwall. So, Tesla's home energy package consists primarily of solar panels, but not the solar roof tiles and the Powerwall. The purpose of the mobile tiny house is to educate the public on how to harness, store, and use renewable energy. According to Musk, the Powerwall can support houses of any size, and he said that the tour is made exciting by Tesla Model X towing the tiny house. The tiny house, of course, ran on renewable energy and was built with chemical-free lumber sourced locally. Tesla's sustainable mobile house was designed by the Australian architecture firm Archiblocks, which specializes in prefabricated and modular units. The tiny house, which measures 6 meters by 2.2 meters by 4 meters, is outfitted with a 2-kilowatt photovoltaic system with 6 panels and a Powerwall unit for storing the harvested solar power. In addition, Tesla's staff is on hand inside the portable studio to assist people in determining how they can be self-sufficient in producing electrical power for their homes. Powered by 100% renewable energy via a 2-kilowatt solar system and Powerwall, Tiny House includes a mobile design studio and configurator that can calculate how your home can generate clean energy from the sun using solar panels, storing it in Powerwall for use throughout the day and night, and all of this can be monitored and controlled by the Tesla app. What is the current update on the house? It is said that Tesla's energy division is touring Australia to educate the public on how to produce self-sufficient electrical power for their homes. The tiny house mobile unit towed by a Model X is intended to demonstrate Tesla's renewable energy solutions to Australia's vast market. In addition, Tesla is attempting to provide an efficient and dependable power storage system to the domestic sector as well as the national grid. So why has this tour been set? What could be the motive behind this? The tour is designed to provide a one-on-one educational experience on how to integrate Powerwall and solar to seamlessly power an entire home 24/7, allowing Australian consumers to gain control and understanding of their power use according to sources. The first step in persuading people to accept a new idea is to educate them on the subject. That is exactly what Elon Musk's Tesla Energy division has done. They're currently touring Australia with a tiny house mobile unit to promote the company's energy products. The tour provides a one-on-one educational experience on how to seamlessly power an entire home 24/7 with Powerwall and solar, allowing Australian consumers to gain control and understanding of their power use. Power storage is a critical component of the Australian renewable energy market. According to Electric, Australia has the highest per capita penetration of rooftop solar in the world, with 15% of households using solar for a total of 1.5 million households across the country. And Tesla is hoping to capitalize on this situation by offering a power storage system to all of those households. According to reports, Australia will be among the first countries to have access to Powerwall 2 installations. Tesla is not only breaking into the Australian power market by providing renewable energy solutions to the domestic sector. Tesla's energy division recently announced that it had won the bid to build the world's largest lithium-ion battery storage facility in South Australia. Why did Elon Musk choose Archiblocks? As pioneers in sustainable modular design, the designers from Archiblocks prioritize projects that reduce the carbon footprint and actively contribute to environmental replenishment. They're the best for designing high-performing, energy-efficient buildings, and Elon Musk took this as an advantage. Every Archiblocks design employs a variety of techniques and technologies to achieve great heights while leaving a smaller carbon footprint. Archiblocks creates homes and buildings that blend in with their surroundings. The rhythm for creating highly energy-efficient Archiblock spaces is set by the use of passive thermal design principles, tracking the sun, following the wind, and getting to know the weather patterns. Clever construction with minimal to zero waste. Every step of their process, from construction to delivery and beyond, is designed to reduce waste and promote reuse and recycling. They design large rather than build large, paying close attention to material sizes and dimensions in order to maximize product usage and minimize waste. They also choose materials with a low, neutral, or positive environmental impact and use recycled and renewable materials whenever possible. They believe in designing a healthy home, family, and life for mindful living. Nothing is more important to them than creating spaces for families to grow in safe, healthy environments that promote mindful living. This conviction can be found in every detail of an Archiblocks home. To improve air quality and protect your family's health, they use low VOC paints, adhesives, sealants, and formaldehyde-free products. In addition, their open, spacious floor plans maximize airflow and natural light, resulting in a more harmonious environment for you and your family. They also use hard floor surfaces to keep allergens and molds at bay, which can thrive in difficult-to-clean carpeting. Their homes provide order and balance in our lives, allowing us to live in harmony with our surroundings. Moreover, they treat water like a precious commodity. They make every effort to reduce, reuse, and recycle the water used in your residential or commercial project. They reduce water consumption. To save water and energy, they only use AAA-rated water consumption appliances and fixtures such as dual-flush toilets, low-flow shower heads, and solar and instantaneous hot water systems. They also reuse it by providing a rainwater harvesting system such as water tanks or bladders to serve toilets, laundry, bathrooms, and kitchen utilities. They have recycling and landscaping as they promote drought-tolerant landscaping, green roofs, and permeable pathways for natural infiltration. To make every drop of water go further, their gray water systems can be used to irrigate green roofs and designer vegetable gardens. What do you think about this first ever tiny house available for sustainable living? Let's know your views in the comments below and make sure to subscribe for more such uploads. See you soon!